Hello and welcome guys. There are two versions of the Python available for Anaconda. Last time we installed this Python 2.7 variant and now I installed this Python 3.7 variant. And I just named them as a two installations separately for myself. So here I installed both the Anaconda 2 and Anaconda 3 for three variants. Here now I just open this Anaconda, running this Anaconda 3, and we will start work in the Jupyter notebook. And if we see here, like this is the Jupyter and the new file will be the in a Python 3 we can create. So let's move forward and create a new directory first of all. So here is the folder which is the untitled, and we just needs to uh, this is the untitled new folder, and we need to just come to this folder and rename this folder to the Python programming A to Z course. So here we go, and here again we need to create the folder with the name of we can say like that, the Python objects and data structures. Here we go, and in this we need to create the folder, the new Python 3 file with the name of the numbers in Python. So here this is the code file, we can say like that. Here you can select it, the markdown this, or you can select the raw NBC or the heading of this our Jupyter notebook. We will use here the cells. We can run cell, all types, and here by this we will add the more cells in it. So here is the markdown. I am showing that here in this lecture we will learn about the numbers in Python and how to use them. So we will learn about followings. We can say like that, the type of numbers and basic arithmetic operations, and we can say like that, the object assignment in Python. So these will be there, and let's move to the types of numbers in Python. We just mark this heading, and here is the level 2 heading, and then we'll just Python has various type of numbers, numeric and the literals, and has like various types of numbers. We can say like that, the numeric and literals. Our focus would be on integers and floats, and this is also a markdown as float, uh, floating point numbers. And so if we talk about the integers, then this is a heading numbers, and here if we integers, so if we talk about the integers, so integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, and floating points are basically have the decimal points. And if we talk the so here are the floats. Floats are just numbers which has decimal values. So here, if we see the examples of the integer, then we can say like that 1, 2, and so on and so forth, and we can say like that -5 or -1, -2, -3, so on. And for floating points, we can say example 1.2, or we can say -0.3, or we can say 2e2, or we can say like that the 3a and 2. So these are the floating points numbers.